Have you ever struggled to untangle your cords? Well, you're in luck because we've got the product for you.
Wow, what's that?
It's the Entangler 3001.
That sounds cool. How's it work?
You wrap the cord around, around, around. You wrap the cord around and make sure it's tight.
Okay, you wrap the cord around?
You wrap the cord around, around, around. You wrap the cord around and make sure it's tight.
I can't believe it. This will keep my earbuds from tying in a knot.
Exactly. You want to know something cool about it?
What?
Turn it to the other side.
What, was that a rose?
Yeah, it is.
Duh.
And you can buy the Entangler 3001 for $4.99 by calling 1-800-123-4567.
Have you ever spent 5 minutes of your precious time trying to untangle your stupid earbuds? Well, I have the product for you, the Earbud Frog.
Wow!
Look at these satisfied customers.
I bought my frog a week ago and I haven't had tangled earbuds since.
Wow, this is great. I'm so happy I bought this.
So first you put the 2 headphones in the Earbud Frog, then you wrap your string around the frog until you stop, and then you put the end of the cord through the frog. You can get your Earbud Frog for $12.99. You can find it at Target or Walmart. And if you order it right now, we will double your offer and send one free.
Dang it, my earbuds are tangled again. I don't know what to do. I need a product to help me. Are your earbuds ever tangled?
We have a solution. Our new revolutionary product will help tangle the earbuds untangle. This is our product. So, take the bottom of it. Wrap it around a couple times. And then shoot. Okay, and then just keep wrapping it around. Until completely wrapped around, and you can put it in your pocket, and you're done.
You can help buy this product for $6.99 at any store. And you can call down at 612-597-61. But if you order now, you can get a second one free.
Now I can